everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Alina. I'm a traveler from Ukraine, and I'm very, very, very excited to be vlogging for the next 8 days around Iceland. This is my first ever RV trip, or as many call it, a camper van around this incredible volcanic Iceland. So let us get started. What is it like to travel by camper van? I think van life is one of the best ways to travel in Iceland because there is so much freedom. And let's take a quick tour at our van life. It had everything you need for 5 people: bedding, full-size bed, shower, fridge with cooking supplies, storage, and even heating. Literally a house on wheels. Sometimes I was like, oh my god, pinch me. Am I living in my dream? Seriously. Yes, we cooked right in a van while enjoying epic sceneries along the way. And who wouldn't want to cook with a view like that, even if you're not a fan of cooking? And since there were 5 vans, we gathered for a night barbecue to share impressions and have fun talking and playing games. But let me start from the beginning. I'm actually responsible for dairy products for, I guess, 5 people, 3 days. So let's do. The only section you will see today is dairy, yogurts, eggs, cheese, butter. And the total came out to 300 euros. Look at this huge, huge receipt. Wow. So what's the plan? We're gonna do a Ring Road, which takes no less than 7 days. I'm gonna show you a picture here. So this is our route, which is really comfortable as we are traveling by RVs. So we can sleep on the way and everything. So right now we have just stopped at like whatever the place is. We just had our lunch and then we're gonna go to another location. So yeah, Ring Road is very nice choice if you're traveling for like a week or so. But if you are very limited in time, oh, there is a helicopter. If you're very limited in time, you'll have to try I think it's called a Ring Circle. It's just a very small area, but still very picturesque, really wonderful. And there are so many nice places next to the airport city, and I mean, you will see a lot anyway. Yes, I'm getting wet. So we're actually gonna do a circle around the waterfall. Like, I mean, we're going to be like inside the waterfall.
There's no going back.
Half done. We're inside the waterfall, like behind it. When they said I'm gonna get wet, damn, I had no idea. This is moss. Moss is everywhere. This is a geyser and it's worth your attention. And now I'm gonna tell you why. And what's really cool is that volcanoes heat the water underground, making it super hot. And then the hot water and steam burst out of the ground. And there are only a few places in the world like this. This geyser erupts every 10 minutes like clockwork. And it's impressive, and you never know how strong that's gonna be. So you basically just stand here and wait for the next eruption. And this is so entertaining actually. And then I saw something I will never forget. Our next camping location is right next to the waterfall. Look at that. This is our last waterfall for today from day 2, and we're about to have barbecue night tonight. So I feel like I want to go somewhere like very far, somewhere there. Maybe it's like 3 kilometers away or something. But I guess that's gonna be the best end of the day. It looks so wild, so peaceful. Like traveling alone. And I feel at my very best peace time right now. I wish I could feel like this more often in the country where there is war right now. Good morning, we are ready for the next beautiful day. I already took in the shower. The water was cold, but we are fine. This night there was aurora, but we didn't know that. We slept. Other guys from another camp events told us like in the morning, and that is a bummer. But still, I've already seen aurora. I mean, I'm not that sad. If you want to see how aurora looks like, you can check out my video from Lapland. And so now we're gonna make some breakfast and go to a black beach. Guys, I just saw the whale! Grocery shopping is done. We're gonna make some lunch and continue going somewhere. I don't even know where. very special. It was baked very deep underground, under thermal or whatever hot springs, so it was naturally baked. So they just put a you know, like flour or something like underground, and then they just take it back in the morning or something. Actually, don't know how it works, but all I know is that this bread was made by, I don't know, lava or something. And yeah, this is literally a bread from the underground bakery. That sounds really nice. And apparently this kind of piece of bread is 40 euros. I mean, okay, let's gonna try rye Icelandic bread. This is a volcano crater. Wow. Does anything look familiar to you? Let me show you a couple of shots. Nice. Guys, I just want to show you how changeable the weather in Iceland is. A minute ago I was wearing my warmest clothes, but right now, a minute later, I'm wearing just a t-shirt. That's just all you need to know about the weather in Iceland. This is very true. It's windy as hell. Well, this is the end of my trip in Iceland. I spent here 2 weeks. Surprisingly, I didn't expect that, but I do embrace every single challenge the universe gives me. So thank you guys for watching my vlog. I hope you enjoyed, and I want to say thank you to those who were part of the trip. And like this video, don't forget to leave a comment below, and see ya in another country.